Follow the rabbit to Christine's studio. Christine's Musings, August 1st, 2022. Cardinals, little yellow birds, and a grosbeak, all in one day. Featured image, goose. For the first time ever, I had a female cardinal at the feeder this morning. Had I not been looking at that very moment, I would have missed her. I wonder how many other things that I miss because I am not looking. I certainly did not miss the 2 geese calling this morning on our beach. I heard them before I even saw them. What a treat seeing the cardinal and grosbeaks.